Hi guys, I'm Michael McMurtrey, food stylist for Ingles Markets. Welcome to the Ingles table. Today I'm getting ready for a gorgeous garden party and I'm creating a great dish, roasted cauliflower curry spread. I've already been to Ingles and stocked up on some amazing ingredients. Now it's time to turn them into something fabulous. All right, we're ready to go. I've got this cauliflower here. I've already started cutting it. We're just gonna cut it into some bite-sized pieces, like so. Doesn't matter really how big they are, just something that's manageable. You don't need the core, we'll get rid of that. Once you have your cauliflower done, what you want to do is toss it with about a tablespoon of oil, just a neutral oil, and then put it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then about halfway through you might want to turn it just so you get a little char on the cauliflower. It gives it a little flavor. So I've got one down here that I've already roasted. So you see I've got some char on there. It's nice, adds a little bit of flavor. We're gonna take all of that cauliflower and put it into the food processor. This is a great recipe because there's hardly any oil in it at all. I think a tablespoon for the entire recipe. And now we're gonna add a can of cannellini beans or any kind of white bean. Gonna add that right in here. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. We're gonna add a tablespoon of curry powder. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of Sriracha, just to sort of lift up the spiciness a bit. And now we're gonna put the lid on. There we go. And pulse it. Just get it going. And then put it on high. And you wanna keep blending that until it turns into a puree. The other thing you can do is you can add some salt. Some fresh black pepper. Okay, that about does it. I'm gonna take this out, take out the blade, and we put it in our serving bowl. And this can be used on a bunch of different things. You can use it as a dip with crudité or vegetables. You can put it on some crostini, which I got at Ingles in the bakery department, which are delicious. They're pre-made and they're kind of addictive. And you can also spread this on a sandwich if you want to make a sandwich. Okay, and then you finish it off with some parsley on top. And there you have it. My roasted curry cauliflower spread. And it's delicious. I'm gonna try some right now. It's time for me to get ready for the party, and it's time for you to get over to Ingles and try out this for yourself. Make sure and explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.